Lane, Lewisham, London. There are Posians in Tallis, Kennewick, Hackover, Ontario, Laguna. In the examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, near Wynn, Lanúst. Her budget is to be received on her behalf by Pauline Priest.
Lónónni ach té mirpid lanist the Berg Borseth Kerna.
James, Daniel, Penzance, there are Posians in Tavis, Kennewick, Hackover, Ontario, Laguna, and Ocean, the Ox.
Lónónni ach té the Berg Borseth Kerna an Ojo.
Michael John Edwards, illustrator, Rag Yoga Gens, Agigio Lavender Kennewick, for his work with Cornish rugby and pilot gigs. Melon Friends, Big Mill.
Lónónni ach té Medin Vraz the Berg Borseth Kerna.
Derek Giles, St. Austell, Ragioga, Agwas, the Wiscon's Frequin, for his work for the China clay industry, Kuvatho Frequin, recorder of China clay.
Lónónni ach té Kuvatho Frequin the Berg Borseth Kerna.
Gladstone, Christchurch, New Zealand, Raggy's Fieldians, Kerno, Ian Kennewick, for her support for Cornwall and Cornish music. Canuas Ilovic, musical Cornishman. Unfortunately, she's unable to be here today, and her barship is being received on her behalf by Karen Truscott, Canora's Porthasia.
Lónónni ach té Canuas Ilovic the Berg Borseth Kerna.
Amanda House, Onfanute, near Truro, Ragioga, Australia Scavlon Gow, Adlichia Care, for her work in setting up Scavlon Gow, Abraham Kayak, Kerno Educational Arts Partnership, Mia Mellingoose, daughter of Mellingoose.
Lónónni ach té Mirk Mellingoose the Berg Borseth Kerna.
Jacqueline Hurd, Bude. There are Posians in Tavis, Kennewick, Hackover, Ontario, Laguna. By examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Mary Kenneth, daughter of the community.
Lónónni ach té Mirk Kenneth the Berg Borseth Kerna.
Ronald James, Zealand, USA, Raggy Wallace, the Heritage Gonas Douglas Kerner, for his services to Cornish heritage and culture. Unfortunately, Ronald cannot be with us today, and so Bardship is being received on his behalf by Keith Truscott, Canner Colin.
Alone on the Octave, Cara Hebethlo, the Beth Gorseth Kerna.
Alan Frank Kneebone, Newquay, Radioga Abbas Ertach Balwis, for his work for the mining heritage. Carl Ken Dowler, friend of Kundura.
Alone on the Octave, Cara Kendaro, the Beth Gorseth Kerna.
Joanna Mattingly, Truro, like his students were from with history a Gloucester Kennewick, a Pensquifa Leafrow history a Gloucester, for her studies of the fabric and history of Cornish churches and the editing of Cornish histories, with the others form Eggers, researcher of church benches.
Learn on me, after, with the others for Meglos, the Beth Gorseth Kerna.
Helen Muser, Penzance, Gonis Rag, Gonis Soviet Kerner, Paul Perrin Hadonshire, Services to Cornish Culture, St. Aaron's Day and Dancing, Donjura's Celtic Dancer.
Learn on me, after Donjura's Celtic, the Beth Gorseth Kerna.
Jones, Caharit Ledrews, Lagiover of Art History Bibles, for his work for the history of mining. Kest Colon, Gans Kerner, in tune with Cornwall.
Learn on me, after Kest Colon Gans Kerna, the Beth Gorseth Kerna.
New South Wales, Australia, Raghi over Ragkerno in Australia, for her work for Cornwall in Australia, Mia Rezus, daughter of Rezus. Unfortunately, she cannot be with us today. Hardship is to be accepted for her by Leanne Lloyd.
Learn on me, after Mia Resri, the Beth Gorseth Kerna.
Rod Shafe, the Scars, Dereposians in Tavis Kernuic, and over Alturia Laguna, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Govinus, Curious.
Learn on me, after Govinus, the Beth Gorseth the Kerna.
Michael John Smith, St. Clair, near Biscard, Raghi Squilliams Craig, Ratkerno and Yates, for his strong support for Cornwall and the language, legal and good. Michael Smith, personal name, also a Smith by trade.
Learn on me, after Michael and Go, the Gorseth Kerna.
Raggy Ogre of Bath and Perth, so Kerner Coast, at Kerr Hub, for her work for the Old Cornwall Societies and the Summer Pilgrimage. Flo Avaldi, child of Lugalsa.
Lo nonni, ate, the birth course at Kerno, Flo Avaldi.
William J. Thomas, St. Ives, Raggy Ogre, Rag Elu, Carl Clouchy, St. Ewan, and Glenassus Divanus for his work for music, the St. John Ambulance, and the Mission to Seamen. Canon Pescado, singing fisherman.
Lo nonni, ate, Canon Pescador, the birth course at the Gurno.
Jacqueline Wheaton, Potter's Bar, Dara Cousins in Palestinian hack over out to the Gurno by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. We're Emerald.
Lo nonni, ate, Weiraven, the birth course at the Kerno.
Rüdiger Wohlers, Oldenburg, Germany. Raggy Ober aus Studiensie Goth Viernans Hagi Arasso Adro Gurno for his work supporting wildlife and his talks about Cornwall. Cowarth Cayo, friend of hedges.